Ever found yourself staring at a financial app, a transaction pending, a question burning a hole in your pocket, and all you need is a real, live human on the other end? You know, someone who doesn't just send you to an FAQ page or a chatbot loop. Specifically, have you ever needed to get in touch with Relay Banking directly? Directly? We live in a digital age, right? Everything's supposed to be instant, seamless, accessible. But the reality is, sometimes, that's just not the case. We hit snags. We need clarifications. We need to actually talk to someone. And when it comes to banking, especially when your business finances are involved, the stakes are even higher. Think about it. You're running a business. You've got invoices to pay, payroll to manage, maybe a sudden influx of transactions you need to reconcile. You're using Relay Banking because, let's face it, they're designed for small businesses. But what happens when something goes wrong? Or you need to clarify a specific feature? Or you simply need to confirm something urgently? You go online. You search. Relay Banking Contact. You get a website, a knowledge base, maybe a community forum. But where's the direct line? Where's the email? Where's the person you can actually talk to? That's the question we're tackling today. Because, let's be honest, finding direct contact information for any online-first financial service can feel like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. So, let's break it down. First, the obvious. The Relay Banking website. It's your starting point. And yes, it's likely where you'll find the most up-to-date information. But here's the thing, websites change. Contact details get updated. So, while I'm going to give you some pointers, always double-check the official site. Now, typically, you'll find a Contact Us or Support section. This is where you'll find the main channels. Let's look at what they usually offer. Help Center/Knowledge Base. This is your first line of defense. It's where you'll find answers to common questions. Search for keywords related to your issue. It might save you a phone call or email. Email support. Many online banks offer email support. This is great for non-urgent issues. Look for a specific support email address. Note that response times can vary. Live chat, often the fastest way to get help online. Look for a chat icon on the website. This allows you to communicate in real time with a support agent. Phone support. This is the golden ticket. If you need immediate assistance, a phone number is crucial. Look for a customer support phone number on the website. Pay attention to their operating hours. Social media. Sometimes, you can find support through social media channels like Twitter or Facebook. While not always the primary channel, it can be useful for quick questions or to get attention to an issue. In-app support. If you're using the Relay Banking app, look for a support or help section within the app itself. This can often be the most convenient way to get help. Now, here's where things get interesting. Sometimes, the website isn't enough. You need to dig a little deeper. Here are a few tips for finding that elusive direct contact. Check the FAQ or help section carefully. Sometimes, contact information is buried within articles or guides. Read through the content thoroughly. Look for a Contact Us page in the footer. Often, contact information is located in the website's footer, even if it's not prominently displayed. Check the About Us or Company page. You might find contact information for the company's headquarters or general inquiries. Search for Relay Banking Support or Relay Banking Customer Service on search engines. You might find forum posts or articles with contact details. Check regulatory filings or legal documents. If you need official contact information, check regulatory filings or legal documents related to the company. Look for press releases or news articles. Sometimes, press releases or news articles will mention contact information for media inquiries or investor relations. Check LinkedIn. Company pages on LinkedIn often have contact information or links to contact forms. Community forums/Reddit. Users often post their experiences and contact methods on community forums. This can be a very helpful resource. It's important to understand that companies can and do change their contact information, so be sure and verify that you are using the most current information. Also, understand what type of support you need. Some channels will be better suited for certain questions. Now, let's talk about what to do when you actually get in touch with Relay Banking. Be prepared, have your account information, transaction details, and any relevant documents ready. Be clear and concise, explain your issue or question clearly and concisely. Be patient and polite, remember that the person on the other end is there to help you. Take notes, keep a record of your conversation, including the date, time, and the name of the person you spoke with. Follow up. If you don't get a resolution, follow up with a written email or a call to escalate the issue. Ultimately, the goal is to get your issue resolved as quickly and efficiently as possible. And while finding direct contact information can sometimes be a challenge, it's not impossible. By using the tips I've shared, you'll be well on your way to getting the help you need. Now, I know this can feel like a bit of a scavenger hunt. But remember, you're not alone. Many people struggle with finding direct contact information for online financial services. The key is to be persistent and resourceful. And remember, Relay Banking is designed to support your business. They want to help you succeed. So, don't hesitate to reach out. Use the resources available, be patient, and you'll get the answers you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.